segment that we call Small Cap, Big Idea. Here, our head of research, Varindar Bansal, is going to ferret out for you some of those small companies with solid fundamentals and bankable managements. In short, companies that are likely to be the next big thing. Varindar, what's on your radar today?
Well, a small company by the name of Triton Valves. I think the market cap is around 95 crores for this company, so a micro cap company. But don't go by that, because this is India's largest manufacturer of automobile tire tube valves, valve cores and accessories. In short, it means that, if you're bullish on the two-wheeler, three-wheeler, CV or whichever space, so the tires which are used in those vehicles, they make the tire valves and valve accessories for all the tires. They have a 30-year of experience in this field. And look at some of the customers, what they have. The customers start from Apollo Tires, Bridgestone India, CA Tires, JK Tires, MRF, M&M, Tata Motors, TVS, Shri Chakra, Wheels India, so
these are the customers.
All tire companies are customers of this company. The plant is located at Mysore. Since this is a small company, so what attracted towards me to this company was the earnings. There's a growth of nearly 8 or 9% on the earnings, but the important thing was the margins. The profit jumped from 3 crores to 7.5 crores. Margins moved from 18 crores to 24 crores. And look at the EBITDA margins. They jumped from 11.3% to 14.16%. So clearly the margin picture was looking steady until FY15. Of course, need to see how the company grows going ahead. So stock is trading around 10, 11 times, which is, clearly decent. The company has no debt, actually. Long-term debt is only 6 crores for this company. Interest coverage ratio is 2.5 times, which is very comfortable. Debt equity ratio is below 1, again very comfortable. Ratios have been improving steadily for this company. Return on net worth 14.8% compared to only 6.5%. That has been tremendous growth in terms of return on net worth. Return on capital employed, again 7.2% compared to only 2.7%. So in those parameters also, the company has done very well. Shareholder, since it's a small company, so the promoter holding is over 50%, which is a good thing. 50.5%. I take heart from this fact that SBI Mutual Fund also holds 2% stake in the company, which is again a good thing that some institution is holding stake in this company. It's a consistent dividend paying company, which is very important. FY15 nearly 120% dividend on equity, 80% and 70%. Consistent tax paying company, which is again a good tick. They had never done equity dilution since listing. There was a bonus which came in 2010. So even if you just see P&L, cash flow or balance sheet, the company looks very strong. Now, important is to also put some of the negatives. The negative is you got to watch out for the sales growth. The company made a sales growth of 8-9%. It'll be great if the company goes ahead and there is a 15-20% growth on the top line, which is very good. The margins were improved dramatically because they control their cost. And second, it's a very low liquidity stock. I think around 700, 800 kind of stocks are only traded on this. So keep an eye on that. But this is the leader in its own space.
Okay, Varinder, thanks so much for highlighting this stock for us. And once again, here's a caution, this, to our viewers, Triton Valves is not a buy recommendation from CNBC TV 18. We're only putting out the facts about the company in front of you. But just to give a pat on Varindar's back, he had recommended Bharat Seeds, I think, a week ago. And at that time, the stock was at 35 rupees. How much was it? 35, 40?
I honestly don't remember.
I think now it's about 50 rupees.
These are companies, which just have strong fundamentals. So, we don't want to track the price and all.
No, it's a stock you analyzed when it was around
35 and now it's 50 plus.
Look at the way in 1 week people have woken up to the fundamentals of that stock. Once again, yes, as Veema said, this is not a buy recommendation, but that's Bharat Seeds for you, a stock that Varinder analyzed for its fundamentals and its performance in the last 1 week has caught the eye of the market for sure.